no wipe top coat, and the pre-seasoned glue gel is going to using on the last step, okay, to double secure all of that, and I'm so excited. All right, moving on, the next one, the silver. Should we do this with the silver, or what color should we do? Or AB, maybe silver.
You can do a little more winter, right? So a little more blue, pumice, all that good stuff.
Okay, blue. What doesn't matter? It's go get me in the winter, yeah.
Blue sky and white snow.
And then no wipe top coat. And I'm gonna add some blue on, as you were asking for. Maybe this one. I'm gonna get centerpiece. This one? No? The winter? No? I can do winter. I can do this one in winter. I can do this one in winter. This one is so cute. Look, this is cute one. And then winter this color.
Sure, yeah.
All right, switch. I love this. This has everything. Okay, let's do some winter looks right here. Maybe some of this one. Oh, this one looks cute. Okay, I'm gonna move this one up. That is fabulous about the condensed glue gels. Like you using your crystal trifecta, you can pretty much adjusting however you want for your design. I'm not using just this one. I'm gonna combine these two together. You think? I'm gonna randomly add some. This kit, I love it. It had everything. I can do any colors I want. Pretty much. Go back this one right there. This is good for like winter though. And then add some more. I just using alternates with this two of cute blues here. But hey, if you want just one colors of the blue, do so. And then with the smaller edges, I'm gonna fill in with the smaller crystals. I'm gonna alternate between both of them. Should look really cool. This is really cool and stunning. I like it. A cute statement right there. This is such a really easy design, so then it will take you literally of no like time at all. And if you pay attention what I'm doing using with the crystal trifecta, so I place the crystal, it's really simple. You can place them really close, tight together. Like as long as you get them tight and close together, they will never come apart at all when after you cure it. So they creates like connecting like a chains. So after you cure, it's gonna be really concrete, so it's not going anywhere but stay on the nails. I really like that one. I'm gonna add just one more. smaller right in this space. And then you can add them really close tight, and I'm going to add some of the beads in here. This is the first one we did. I'm really obsessed with that. And then I'm going to add some silver beads. Have bigger silver beads. Add some more. So the best to do this, the beads, you fill them in between the joints of the crystal, between crystal and crystal, or between crystal and charm and chains. And I'm adjusting it until you are happy with this. Stay really nice and like intact. Looks so cool and stunning. So I adjusting them to make sure they stay really nice and intact until you are ready, and you can cure this for 60 seconds.